everybody. Welcome to our Northeast Portland basement remodel. Follow me. Welcome to the basement. So this was an unfinished basement when we stepped into the space. As you can see, there's some concrete floors and things like that. Those were original to the space, but the vibe of the space was to be very moody, industrial. So if you notice, we have a fun little bar situation with open shelving. There's under cabinet lighting throughout the entirety of the space. You'll see it underneath our cabinets here. It extends into the media space. And from here, you get a lot of extra storage. That was a really big part for our clients, was to have storage that they could take things from upstairs and put them down here, or keep the things that they actually really wanted to keep down here, like games. So something like this cabinet holds all of our clients' games. They have more than this. It's a very cool space and just an easy way for them to stay organized. This direction, you'll find the media space, which includes a really cool, almost movie theater-like experience we were wanting to create. If you dimmed the lights, it was just a really easy way to watch TV or a movie or play games or things like that. So you'll notice we have some movie theater type sconces on either side of the TV. That open shelving continues into this space, allowing for some cool accent features like this Lego piece or games consoles, things like that. The under cab is here. We have some fun wallpaper texture, and again, more storage. Over here, you'll actually see some of the house's original brick. This was created to be a little accent feature within the space. The lighting around the side of the wall creates that accent feature. Over here, so our clients have a couple of cats, and cats can be smelly. One thing we did was create a space for the cats to go with their litter boxes. So you'll notice a fun little cat door with some ears down here, and this does open up to reveal the litter box, some ventilation. Over this way, you'll see the laundry room. And in this direction, we get the bathroom. And there's some fun wallpaper over here, a toilet that has a mind of its own. It's a fun little feature. And this beautiful blue tile. As you can see, there's also lighted niches, which contribute to the entire flow of the space. It matches what we have in the main space. Here it's blue to reflect the tile. It also matches some of the color on the wall, so it's very cohesive. And then in this direction, you'll find a workshop. So one of our clients needed space to have everything stored for everything that they needed to do. And so in here we have cabinets on the walls for storage, multiple places for things to be held on walls and hung, and just creating an organized space for them to do what they need to do for all of their hobbies and projects. Now, one thing to note about this space is the stair rail. So code says that we had to have the stairwell not be exposed. We don't want people falling through a hole or things like that. And so we had a decorative one installed. And one of the fun features that came out of that was being able to have some open shelving that matches the open shelving over here. Everything's cohesive, it's fun. And it allows for our clients to store pieces of art or knickknacks or things that they just wanted to be on display. This is a great example of what you can do with a basement when you have creative designers and a little imagination. For more on other basements and remodel transformations, check the link in our description.